Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to test the new weapons from the test server of the Titan repair amplifier. This is the gameplay. I thought of I dropped in with the Typhoon hazard. There's some. It's the best goal I can build in the test server. And I'm using the paralysis drone, which gives me a whopping 20% more damage. I can kill an enemy robot in this setup for like 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Over. That's why war robots need to nerf this bolt, I think. That's what it is. Boom, dead. This is what happened. Now I'm going to kill the Ares after he completes his ability. Boom! He's dead. Yeah, but I'm going down because yeah, if this bolt is on a other experienced player, it could be overpowered and be ruiner for beginners or people who don't know the best bolt. This is the best build that is Spear K3. I tested it in the test server. It did not work for me because I'm not a pro player. Now is the time to test it. I spawned with the Luchador. I think repair amplifier is not that good because already we have self-fix in it. And the repair amplifier for the normal robots is also waste because I think it's better, but it's not that useful because you already have the mechanic skill for the pilots. As you can see here, this is firing constantly sonics. Now the repair part. See, the Titan repair amplifier is not healing me that much, and it just occupies space for no plated armor kit on the onslaught reactor. But I am taking down the Shanga with this awesome weapons. The movements went that side, so he started hitting me. Oh, see, that's